If quick share is not working on your Nothing Phone 3A, here's what you can do in order to fix this issue. So essentially we want to go to settings and then go to connected devices, and let's choose connection preferences in order to find quick share over here. First and foremost, we want to go to who can share with you. We need to make sure that visible to nearby devices option is enabled. So if it's off, make sure that you can turn it on. And then also you want to select either contacts if you want to be able to quick share only with your contacts, or you can choose everyone. Keep in mind that contacts works only with contacts that you have saved on your Google account, not on your phone, but in Google account. And of course, if you choose everyone, that anyone nearby should be able to see you and choose you for quick share. And also we have the option to be visible only for 10 minutes. So if you want to stay longer, visible of course, then you want to uncheck this box. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!